Clouds are filling up with rain, the sky is turning gray. A storm is coming, I smell it in the air. The winds are picking up and all the trees are swaying. It looks like a big one, all the signs are there. The last time that a big storm came, all the streets were flooded. Rivers rose, I got water in the house. Trees fell over, flash floods carried cars away. It was real bad, there ain't no doubt. But if there's a silver lining, I think that this is it. Neighbors helped each other, and that was nice. We were all in it together, and together things got done. And in the end, everything worked out alright. The storm brought us together, at least for a little while, and then it passed, became a memory. But I remember how we got things done by working hand in hand. But hey, ain't that the way things ought to be? So the storm is close, hope we make out better than before. Hope we fix some of the problems that we had. If we didn't fix them good enough, I guess that we'll find out. I got my fingers crossed, I hope it's not too bad. Brought us together, at least for a little while, and then it passed, became a memory. But I remember how we got things done by working hand in hand. But hey, ain't that the way things ought to be? So the storm is close, hope we make out better than before. Hope we fix some of the problems that we had. If we didn't fix them good enough, I guess that we'll find out. I got my fingers crossed, I hope it's not too bad.